Well guys, I got a new toy. This is the Bernzomatic Maker torch kit, and this thing was like $30 at Home Depot. I have a ring light that was like over $50. It might have even been $60. And all I need to do is solder the points on the control on it, and then I don't have to buy a new one. This actually can do wood burning work as well, so that's why I bought it. It runs on butane, so we're gonna test this bad boy out and see how it works. Here's one thing about this kit. I mean, it comes with this roll of electrical solder. The way the prices were in store, for a roll this size, it was like $15. So to get this for $30 and it's cordless, it's pretty awesome. I'm gonna fill up the butane now. Let's see how that is. All right, you can call me anal, but I don't like to fill butane inside. So all this is just got its butane fitting on the bottom of it. It says on the instructions to just hold your butane container straight onto this upside down for 10 seconds. Whoa! Am I doing that wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I pushed the nozzle down way too hard. I don't have butane lighters. I don't have much experience with butane, so that was stupid, but the second time was right. And this is what I've been forced to work with, is this little 5 below ring light on my good ring light, because it had a bad solder joint on the control board. So I'm gonna be soldering my 2 leads right back onto this. And rather than spending $50 on a new ring light, I'm gonna fix this one. So let's try, let's try lighting this real quick. So there's a safety right here. And then on the back, you have a continue button. So should glow red up here when it's on. There it is. And then there's a continue button, so you can slide that and then it stays on. Look at that. It's like a real life lightsaber. It's just burning off some of the junk. That's why I lit this outside. I figured there was going to be a little bit of burn off from it. We'll see how it does as a tool. Let's see. You just slide this, turn it off. Off. And then there's a big old plastic cover that I'll show you. So if you're using it and it's hot, throw your little cover over it. Nothing to worry about. And it has safeties on it too, so it's not like you can light this thing up when it's in its cover. Here's my problem. I already tried fixing this before. And at the top end here, you can see where the original solder joint's pulled out, and that is where my repair is going to have to happen. So I realized you need to get the solder onto the tip first and then get it onto the wire. And then I got it on the panel. I was not recording because this is not a wire soldering tutorial, because I don't really know what the heck I'm doing with this. We have multiple attachments here. One is a torch, one is an air blower, and then this one heats up around the outside to shrink some wrapping. But what I'm going to show you is I actually did it. I have very shaky hands. That usually doesn't come into play with my contracting work or plumbing or anything like that, but I had a very difficult time getting these on. The reason why they're facing the way they are is because I had to use the board to steady my hand when I was soldering them onto there. But let's see what happens here. Well, I just plugged it in and we have power. I honestly can't believe it. I'm gonna electrical tape this just to reinforce that, but this thing was broken. And it works now. That is wild. We're back in business. Wow. So my ring light works again. I have brightness again. So instead of paying $50, I bought a $30 soldering kit that came with the solder and a bunch of other features for it, and I fixed my light. So that soldering iron already paid for itself. I know I have other plans with it that I'm gonna use it for, but it's a pretty cool little tool, guys. I'd check it out. $30, Home Depot. Give it a shot. This is not paid promotion, anything like that. It works. If this is your first time here, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're looking for plumbing, homeowner DIY projects, you found the right place. Dave Doc DIY. Thanks.